His Excellency Faisal Al-Rabas, Chairman, Oman Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I really appreciate that you are here and supporting us. Excellency Zaid Mohammed Al-Kabi, Chairman of OICC branch at Burami, Governorate. Excellency Imran Ali, Ambassador of Islamic Republic of Pakistan to Sultanate of Oman. I also want to mention Mrs. Noreen Imran here, the chairperson Pak Oman Forum here, for his great effort to make this successful event. And also I want to mention Mr. Nadeem Mehboob Maggu, Chairman, Pak Oman Business Council. Due to his effort, all the Pakistani delegates are here. He support them and coordinate with each other. Honorable guests and all the excellencies and ambassadors of all countries, esteemed delegates, and especially all the exhibitors are here who came from Pakistan and make it only because of you, this event, we can make it successful. All friends from press and media, Assalamu alaikum, a very good morning to you all. It is indeed a great honor and privilege to stand before you today at the inaugural ceremony of the Pakistan-Oman Business Conference and exhibition. On the behalf of Federation of Pakistan Chamber of Commerce and the entire business delegation from Pakistan, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Embassy of Pakistan in Oman for their unwavering support and tremendous efforts in organizing this prestigious event. Your commitment to strengthening the bilateral trade and investment ties between our two nations is highly commendable. As the apex body of trade and industry in Pakistan, FPCCI has always played a key role in facilitating trade and investment both domestically and internationally. FPCCI has under its umbrella 277 trade associations. Among them is 71 Chamber of Commerce from all over the Pakistan, 28 Women Chamber of Commerce, and 15 Chamber of Small Traders also, and also the Small Trader Associations, and 5 joint chambers of different countries are also under our umbrella. And 157 associations of from all over the Pakistan base, not the city base, the associations of different sector which are the Pakistan base are 157 associations are our members under our umbrella. We are committed to promoting Pakistan potential in global marketplace, and our participation in this event reflect our dedication to enhancing economic ties with Oman. FPCCI is well positioned to support businesses in navigating the complex of international trade. And we are here to ensure that all our participating companies can maximize the opportunities available in Oman. From industrial linkage to trade facilitation, FPCCI will continue to act as a bridge between the business community of both nations. The trade relation between Pakistan and Oman have seen steadily growth over the years. In 2023, the total trade volume between our two countries stood at approximately US $870 million only, which is very low. We are the neighboring country, and I will also ask Imran, Excellency, our Ambassador Imran, that you organize such a very wonderful event, very wonderful conference, very wonderful expo here. But in business, it's need a follow-up. After this exhibition, if you want to get the result, the businessmen want to get the result with the follow-ups and continuous meeting. My concept is that if you want to increase the business, just meet with each other. And meet again and again. So then it will increase we are the neighboring country, we are the my city is maybe one of my cities, Lahore is far than Muscat. And we are not doing this business. The total bilateral trade is 870 million. And I think it should be that your target, you already achieve a wonderful goal here, but it is not a target. This is one of the milestones. Our target should be 10 billion US dollar trade, bilateral trade. It should be that, and it can be very easily. If from other countries, also the investment side in GCC, from GCC countries, our total foreign direct investment is 11% from Gulf countries. And from Oman is only 0.07%. From UAE, your neighboring country, is 7.5% of our total foreign direct investment. It's mean the atmosphere of investment, the atmosphere, the friendly atmosphere for the investors, as UAE is also investing there. So please ask your people to invest in Pakistan, and also the same side we will invest in Oman, and then also increase the bilateral trade. So once again, I thank you for all your presence, and I wish the most successful of this event. Only I will say the very important, the VIP is here, is our visitor. We should follow those visitors. Please collect the data and then continuous follow them, the visitors. As I was wondered that he said this 2,000 visitors are expecting here. It is really tremendous, really tremendous. If 2,000 will attend here in such a small expo, it is really very good job. Thank you very much. Thank you.